Welcome to Project Management Essentials, a comprehensive introduction designed for aspiring project managers and professionals seeking to build a solid foundation in project management principles. This course will equip you with the fundamental knowledge, skills, and tools needed to successfully initiate, plan, execute, and close projects across various industries. Throughout your journey, we'll explore the core concepts, methodologies, and best practices that form the backbone of effective project management. Whether you're looking to advance your career or simply become more effective in your current role, these essential skills will help you deliver projects with confidence, within budget, and to stakeholder satisfaction. Understanding what constitutes a project is the first step in effective project management. Projects are temporary endeavors with defined start and end dates, aiming to create unique outcomes that haven't existed before. They progress through incremental steps, with details becoming clearer as the project advances through its life cycle. Unlike routine operations, projects are characterized by their temporary nature, unique deliverables, and progressive development, requiring a specific approach to planning, execution, and control that respects their inherent uniqueness and constraints. Project management delivers tangible business value by improving project outcomes and completion rates. Structured approaches significantly increase success rates, optimize resources, and enhance stakeholder satisfaction. Organizations with mature project management practices outperform competitors, achieving higher success rates and delivering projects more efficiently. Studies by the Project Management Institute show that organizations with standardized practices see up to 28 times more success due to improved strategy and higher project success rates. Mastering project management vocabulary is crucial for clear communication. Understanding terms like scope, deliverable, milestone, and task helps prevent misunderstandings that can derail project progress. Scope defines the boundaries of a project, while deliverables are the tangible outputs. Milestones mark significant events, and tasks are specific activities to be accomplished. These terms form the building blocks of project discussions and ensure everyone is aligned on project objectives and deliverables. The Project Management Institute, PMI, is the world's leading professional association for project management. Its project management body of knowledge, PMBOK, guide establishes standard terminology and guidelines that have become the foundation of modern project management practices across industries. The PMBOK organizes project management knowledge into 10 knowledge areas, including scope, time, cost, and quality management. These areas provide a comprehensive framework that helps practitioners address all critical aspects of project execution. The project manager serves as the central hub of project activities, accountable for delivering the project objectives within defined constraints. This role requires balancing competing demands while maintaining a clear vision of project objectives. Successful project managers take ownership of their responsibilities, ensuring that team members contribute their expertise. They excel in planning and organizing, team leadership, monitoring and control, and communication, facilitating information flow among stakeholders at all levels. Technical knowledge alone is insufficient for project management success. Research shows that 90% of a project manager's job is communication, involving the effective use of soft skills. The ability to influence without authority, negotiate effectively, and adapt to changing circumstances often determines project outcomes more than technical expertise. Leadership, communication, and time management are crucial soft skills that help project managers inspire teams, articulate complex information, and prioritize tasks effectively. Effective project managers recognize that team dynamics significantly impact project outcomes. By intentionally building cohesion and establishing clear norms, they create environments where innovation thrives and challenges are addressed collaboratively. Research shows that teams with high psychological safety outperform others by embracing diverse perspectives and learning from mistakes. Assembling the right mix of skills, personalities, and experience, and guiding the team through forming, storming, and performing stages is essential for success. Conflict is inevitable in project environments where diverse stakeholders work under pressure toward challenging goals. Skilled project managers view conflict as an opportunity to uncover issues, clarify expectations, and strengthen relationships. They employ various resolution techniques, from compromise to collaboration, based on the specific situation and the importance of the relationship versus the outcome. Identifying early warning signs, analyzing underlying causes, implementing resolution strategies, and monitoring and learning are key steps in managing conflict effectively. Ethical conduct forms the foundation of professional project management. The PMI Code of Ethics establishes standards that practitioners commit to uphold, ensuring projects deliver value while respecting legal and ethical boundaries. Project managers often face situations requiring ethical judgment, particularly when balancing competing stakeholder interests or addressing sensitive information. Core ethical principles include responsibility to stakeholders and society, respect for individual and diversity, fairness in decision-making processes, and honesty in communications and reporting. Every project, regardless of size or complexity, progresses through these 5 distinct phases. Understanding this lifecycle provides a framework for organizing project activities and establishing proper governance. While phases often overlap in practice, each represents a critical focus area with specific objectives and deliverables that build toward successful project completion. The phases include initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and closing, each with its own set of activities and goals. The initiation phase lays the groundwork for project success by establishing the clear purpose and direction. During this critical stage, the fundamental questions of why, what, and who are answered. A well-executed initiation phase aligns stakeholder expectations, secures approvals, and provides the mandate for the project manager to proceed with detailed planning. Key activities include business case development, project charter creation, stakeholder identification, and feasibility analysis, ensuring the project is viable and aligned with organizational objectives. The planning phase translates high-level objectives into detailed action plans. Strong planning is where significant value is added to the project because it directly influences execution efficiency. While plans may change as the project progresses, the planning process itself creates valuable insights and alignment among stakeholders. Key activities include schedule development, budget planning, and risk management, setting the stage for successful project execution by identifying all activities, their sequence, duration, and dependencies. The execution phase is where plans transform into deliverables. This phase typically consumes the most resources and requires the most intensive management effort. Project managers balance multiple priorities, keeping work aligned with specifications, managing resource conflicts, addressing emerging risks, and maintaining stakeholder engagement. Success in execution depends on establishing clear work authorization systems, effective decision-making processes, and regular coordination mechanisms like daily stand-ups or weekly status meetings. The monitoring and controlling phase runs concurrently with execution, providing the feedback mechanisms necessary to keep the project on track. Effective project managers establish clear thresholds for performance measurement, change control, and corrective action. They collect and analyze data on schedule, budget, scope, and quality performance against baselines, ensuring that any deviations from the plan are identified and addressed promptly. This phase is crucial for maintaining project alignment with objectives and ensuring successful delivery. The closing phase formalizes the completion of all project work and contractual obligations. This often neglected phase is critical for capturing organizational value from the project experience. Proper closure includes formal client sign-off for successful projects, releasing resources, conducting lessons learned sessions, and archiving project records. A structured lessons learned process during this phase helps identify successes to replicate and challenges to address in future projects, contributing to organizational learning and improvement. While all projects follow the 5 phases, the specific implementation varies widely based on industry, project type, and organizational culture. The choice of appropriate lifecycle model significantly influences how work is organized, how changes are managed, and how stakeholders are engaged. Models like predictive, iterative, incremental, agile, and hybrid offer different approaches based on project needs. Understanding these models helps project managers select the right approach for their projects, balancing stability and flexibility. Selecting the right project lifecycle approach is crucial for project success. Factors such as requirement stability, stakeholder involvement, change control, delivery frequency, and documentation emphasis influence the choice of approach. Each project is unique, and the right approach ensures that the project is managed effectively, meeting its objectives while accommodating any changes that arise. By evaluating these factors, project managers can tailor their approach to best fit the project's specific needs and constraints. Each phase of the project lifecycle produces specific deliverables and documentation that serve as inputs to subsequent phases. These outputs create a cumulative record of the project's progress, ensuring that every phase effectively governs a knowledge transfer. Understanding these outputs is crucial for maintaining alignment and continuity throughout the project. Key outputs include project charters, management plans, status reports, deliverables, and formal acceptance, each contributing to the project's overall success. Congratulations on completing Project Management Essentials. This course has equipped you with fundamental knowledge of project management principles, processes, and best practices. To continue your professional development, consider applying these concepts to real-world situations, joining professional associations like PMI, and exploring specialized areas such as agile methodologies or program management. Remember that project management mastery comes through practice and reflection. Each project offers valuable learning opportunities that will strengthen your skills and increase your effectiveness as a project leader.